Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, and I wanted to make this video to expose people to what's possible, to the realities of making money fast, and why I feel that throwing money at student loans is the same as throwing it in the trash. Now, I made over $300,000 in 2021, and I'm not in any rush to pay off my student loans. That may surprise you, but here's my tax return from one trading account. I also made $40K in a week, and I worked halfway through the year. Now, the reason I am not in any rush to pay off my student loans are reason one, after around 70 to 80K in earnings, you do not get a tax deduction when you pay down loans or interest on loans. Number two, if I turned a few K into over 300K, who knows what I can do with over 300K? And continuing on that, if I can make a few mil with my assets, I will have my assets pay for the student loan liability, and I will have money left over instead of just throwing it at the loan and not being able to build wealth via assets. Number four is capital gains tax. I did get married last year to reduce my capital gains rate by 12%, but the US government does not like it when you make too much money too fast. And the last reason is I'm still a student. I've been in law school since 2020, growing my consulting business and going from PT to attorney, but realistically into the more consulting realm. So why am I telling you this and sharing this with you? I'm telling you this and sharing it with you to expose you to what's possible. And even though I'm a PT, it is not my identity. And believe it or not, I had bad grades in school. Additionally, had I not quit my shitty job out of PT school, I wouldn't have gotten here because I set standards for myself to not tolerate stuff. No one goes to PT school to not get paid, and currently insurance-based PT is dying. You can make money in home health, cash pay, and travel, but the only one that's scalable is cash pay. You can leverage your skills you learn as a PT to serve more people in many other ways and not be tied to being limited by your degree. Now, I see a lot of posts and people praising paying off debt, but as I stated earlier, in my opinion, you are throwing money in the garbage. Now, I know some of you will not agree with my content with this post, with what I'm saying, but that being said, let me see your 300K a year, let me see your trades, then we can talk because then we know we're on the same level. But thank you for watching, and I just want to put this out there because it's different than what we usually see, but when you make money fast, you have to be smart about it. And you can make money fast regardless of your training. So thank you for your time, and I hope you all have a good day.